Okay, fixing the yellow tooth on this image. If we zoom in here a little bit and look at it a little bit closely, which is basically kind of a coffee tooth causing yellowing. You will want to use, a good choice would be the clone stamp. We're going to go with a soft edge brush. More normal opacity. Here you want the tooth build this up gradually, set the opacity down around 20% or so. I'm going to uncheck a line, which I typically have unchecked, and you'll be sampling from the two neighboring teeth to build up this tooth, get the same color there. And that's why it's important to work at a lower opacity. Make this brush a tad smaller yet with my left square bracket key. I'm going to sample here, and I'm just going to start clicking here back and forth to build up to get this color over here. Now this side is a little bit darker because of shadowing, and to give it some roundness, I'm going to pick up right here and I'm just clicking this. I'm not dragging. I'm moving my mouse back, but clicking continuously with the mouse just to build it up. And you can see now I'm going to sample maybe right about here and go down this edge here, and it's getting pretty good already. Maybe a little bigger brush now would help. If I take now sample here once, go over this a bit, and that's probably sufficient like that. Now you see what we've done here. We use my move tool as a pointer. I add a little bit of darkness here to give it some roundness, a little bit of roundness to it. I could have actually extended it a little bit further if I wanted to give it a more, so I get some form to it, some three-dimensional form to it. And I added the colors here. It might be just a tad too much. I maybe would actually continue a little more. I'm going to sample from this tooth right here in this corner here, and maybe just darken it up a little bit. So there, that's a little better now. So now it looks a little more three-dimensional, and you can see now the yellowness is gone. And you don't want to make it over. You don't want to over-retouch any of these things. You want to build it very gradually, very slowly, and just work on it that way.